Hey guys, it's Doug here, and today we're reviewing the Veyvoid 24-inch pressure washing surface cleaner. That is a mouthful. This thing is a game changer. I can't tell you how much I loved it. I think I've given it all away now, but if you're looking to make cleaning your driveway, patio, or other large flat surfaces a breeze, this is a must. Couple things I really like. It covers a huge surface area. I mean, 24 inches is big. The wheels work great. It rolls along really nice and easy to work with. You can adjust the pressure with the trigger and your grip. It's durable construction. We all know that the cool SpaceX rockets are made out of stainless steel. You could certainly make a driveway cleaner out of stainless steel, and it should last forever. This surface cleaner is perfect for homeowners, contractors. It's ideal for all those cleaning situations. Actually, you know what? You've been watching me use it. I've been talking to you about its features. Let's go talk to me right after I used it when it was all fresh in my head, and let's make sure it really was as good as I'm saying. So I'm here to talk to you about this Vevor surface cleaner and give you my actual review, but at the same time, I'm going to say this Vevor power washer was awesome. This is what you need to use this. I was a little worried that 7 horsepower was not going to be enough power to run this, and it absolutely was. Worked perfectly. So now that we're done talking about this, let me talk to you about my experience with this. And this is going to sound a little silly. They did provide this to me to do this review, but this is really my honest answer. I'm showing you the video. You have seen the experience of how well this thing works, and oh boy, does it work well. It is bizarre how fun this is when your pavement is dirty. You just sit there and go, and you can see it. You can see the strip as it cleans it. This could be some like new strange addiction that I find it so satisfying to clean the concrete. I mean, I really did try to use the wand and scrub it and do designs and that kind of stuff, and it was terrible. And I've seen the professionals using these, and when Vevor was like, hey, we have one of these available, would you like to try it? I was like, hell yeah, send it to me. And I wasn't expecting that much. I was expecting this to be a little underpowered. I was expecting this to not do as much as I expected it, and everything overachieved. I mean, it is so easy to work with, even right down to the wheels. Really, I've used it for like 3 days straight, like really used it, and it still is rolling like perfectly. I kind of figured the little wheels were going to bend a little bit. It wasn't going to work. It was going to get dirt from working and grind up, and no, it has worked absolutely perfectly. There's almost no assembly. This hose is like a super heavy duty, high quality hose. The grips work great. The whole experience has just been really, I feel like this is a little weird how much I am liking this. Overall, if you're looking for one of these surface cleaners, you absolutely cannot go wrong with it. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. It's been very fun and exciting for me. We'll see you next time.